Okay, we're behind the gas refrigerator. Annual maintenance. This is a constant problem with this particular model. You're looking at the burner orifice there, and then the burner tube, and the burner itself, those slots. And if I can get a picture of it, right above that burner is the chimney. So to get to this, there's a cover here. There's a screw. Goes into the end here to hold it on. This opening goes like that. Sorry. Screw goes in over here. Once you have that off, make sure this tube is clean. And then when you go to the top of this chimney, there's a tool here inside the chimney. This tool clears it out. So when you move it up and down inside of it, it cleans it out like this. Put it back together. Put this back on with the screw in the side.